Hello everybody, today we will be making some really interesting hairstyles. It might seem intricate and it might seem hard, but it is honestly quite easy if you follow the instructions in this video. For this first one, go ahead and create a really easy, simple fishtail braid and go ahead and follow the instructions of this video. Then you can go ahead and tuck it in for a really formal look. It might look like it's a maiden braid that was created in the really old times, but it looks gorgeous and classic. So for the next one, go ahead and take a few bits of hair, twist it into pieces, and then braid the rest of the hair into a simple, normal, classic braid. Now, doesn't that put such a wonderful twist? For this next one, you can go ahead and take two pieces of hair, loop them together, twist it around, and tie them into a knot. Then you can go ahead and twist two pieces of hair on each side and twist them together. With that, you can go ahead and tie them with a small rubber band and tuck them into each other. And then take the next braid that you've made, put that through the first braid that you made, and then section off your hair into two, part that, and make them into classic braids and pin them up. Didn't that look wonderful? For the next one, you can go ahead and take some hair, pull that through the original braid, and make a 3-plait braid for the next rest of the part. Then, once again, tuck it in, and didn't that look amazing? Don't forget to add in some beaded embellishments for the top, just to make it look more classy and interesting. So for this next one, follow the instructions exactly like shown in the video, and you can go ahead and have yourself a very classy, elegant bun. Move on to the next one. The next one, you can go ahead and take in some hair, pin that into the middle, and then you can go ahead and twist in the rest of the hair exactly as shown in this video. Then you can go ahead and bun it all up, and doesn't that look such a royal hairstyle? Now we can move on to the next one. For the next one, you can go ahead and take in two pieces of hair, twist them together, and section off the rest of the hair. While sectioning off the rest of the hair, make sure to braid them into 3-plait braids. Then you can twist it through the original 2 strings of hair that you had twisted in. Now, go ahead and add in some embellishments. For the next set of hairstyles, you can go ahead and take in some hair, turn that around, and tie it together. It might seem damaging to your hair, but I promise it's not. Then once you tie it in, go ahead and do the same for the rest of the hair, and with the remaining bits, you can go ahead and braid it into a 3-plait braid. Then you can roll it up and tuck it into a bun. Didn't that look amazing? Now, let's move on to the next one. For this next one, you're going to need a hairpiece, so make sure that you have one around. With that, you can go ahead and tuck it in exactly as shown before. So, for the next one, you're also going to need a hairpiece, but this is to make your hair more voluminous. Now, add in another hairpiece to make it look interesting and gorgeous. Doesn't that look amazing? Now, moving on to the next one. For this next one, you can go ahead and part your hair into 2 parts. Then, you can go ahead and add in a 3-plait braid and tuck that into the opposite sides. That in, and doesn't that look amazing? Thank you so much for watching this video. Continue to support us so that we can make more videos.